What's up, guys? We would like to make the announcement that we are starting an emo band together.
Yes, it will be called Two Cats.
Two Cats.
And we're gonna set up a board today.
That too.
I'm gonna set this up, and Andy's gonna set that up. So this is a cruiser, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
The Revive Cruiser, and I have my brand new pro model, Dragon Slayer.
Dragon. Yeah. Dude, I never remember names of boards.
Me neither.
When we're filming the product release, like I always just make up names for them, and I never remember what the real one is.
It's been probably a good 2-3 years since we've done a board setup video, and I thought, you know, Andy Schrock is here. There was that one time we did that setup video, and it was awesome.
It was the best thing ever. I don't know how that worked, but it did.
We got to get that clip of the face swap from that setup video.
I tried finding it last night. I have no idea where it is.
Really?
I have it on my phone somewhere.
I'm pretty sure I have it too.
Yeah.
So the first thing I'm unrolling this AM grip. Doug is here somewhere.
I'm going to turn this into an airplane. Dude, I'm thoroughly impressed with what I made over here. I'll be darned if that's not a grip tape airplane. Terrible. So do air bubbles bug you?
Yes.
I could care less.
Really? No.
Oh, have you ever missed a trick and you're like, man, if I didn't have an air bubble, I could have landed that. Does that ever happen to you?
Of course.
No.
No, it doesn't happen because I would never have an air bubble because it would freak me out so bad.
I get why it's annoying, though. I do get that. Can I use this?
Yes. Ow, I just hit that part of my elbow.
Oh. Have you ever hit the funny bone in your knee?
Yeah.
Dude, I thought
Deadly.
I hit my knee and I didn't think anything of it. I think it's still there yet. Look, you can see it. That's from like 2 months ago. There's still a bump. It felt like I got kicked in the gonads. All right.
So surprised that made it all the way on.
I am sitting very uniquely on this to do this. I have to quit.
Nailed it? I love that yellow, look at that.
All right, if you had to never skate again, or the only way to be able to continue skating was that you'd have a constant feeling of needing to sneeze but couldn't, would you do it?
Yeah.
Dude.
What would you do?
I would.
You would take the constant feeling. Wow, it is really bad. Oh wow, I really messed that up. Tell us about these wheels. Tell me everything about them. I was so confused when I opened my box and I was like, what are these wheels?
They're different shape. They're conical, which is like...
What does that mean?
I don't know. I mean, it goes in. So if you actually look at them, instead of having just the round shape, like it goes in. When you lock into rails, you're there.
Rails or boxes?
Boxes too, I guess. Like curtain grinds, it kind of grips you. These are hands down very, very popular immediately. And
really?
Everyone who skates them is like, you need to make more of these. So, new graphics coming soon. Where'd the trampoline go?
Just got pushed over there.
You just moved a big trampoline? The fact that I can't see it is very impressive too.
Yeah. Should I put trucks on?
That's a weird question to ask halfway through the video. So,
he's probably gonna need bearings also.
Cheers. How many skateboards do you think you have skated your entire life?
483.
I legitimately think I've probably skated 1,000 skateboards.
Really?
Yeah. When I was like 15, I would just try gaps, flip tricks down gaps all day. There was one day I made the mistake of ordering blanks off eBay.
Oh, wow.
When I was in college and super broke, I went through 3 of them in one day.
Wow.
Brand new decks in one day. One of the breaks was 3-flipping the biggest double set I'd ever tried to 3-flip. I totally would have had it if I'd had an actual skateboard.
Hiya!
I did not think that was going to go like that. It's about to get crazy in here, isn't it?
Yes.
I don't skate Avenue trucks. I ride for Orion trucks. And not thinking, I was like, it doesn't work.
I was putting trucks on a board today, and I put one on the wrong direction, and then I took it off and put it back on again the wrong direction. Yes, sir. Almost done.
have a video part by the time I'm done putting this board together.
Gosh, I don't know. It might freak me out. Just the shape of the wheel might freak me out.
It does feel like a little blockier.
Does it? So you're skating these right now?
Yeah.
So specifically on rails, they're better, but on boxes, you don't really notice.
You would like them.
You do. We got to see if we have bearings for you.
True story though. You guys were having a sale at BrailleSkateboarding.com, and I bought a pair of these bearings, and I put my name in as Taco Bell Boy. So now I get emails from Aaron Kyro that say, "Hey, Taco Bell Boy." Oh my gosh. You guys need a name for your guys' people.
Braille Army.
Yeah. I guess you already do. All right.
Grams.
If you think they need a flat bar that is actually flat or short, you need a short one too.
Short one?
You need some variety in your bars. The ones you have are amazing. I like variety in rails.
Yeah.
I could care less if these are on tight. I'm done with these hardware. I'm so thankful to actually hold a skate tool. Do you like your graphic out? Okay, there's my answer.
In.
You like it in?
Yeah. You like it out?
Yeah. I also don't care too much.
You also can skate with air bubbles on your grip tape.
I'm gonna film a whole part with air bubble, like purposeful air bubbles, and just name it, just to confuse people, Andy Schrock, Aaron Kyro video part.
Yes, my favorite video part.
You know what? In Taking the World, that was my very first manual I filmed for a video part.
Really?
I did like a double flip board check manual down a bank.
I was gonna do a heel flip, and then I didn't.
My friend half-cap heel flipped a wall, like over a curve down a drop when we were like 15, and to this day I'm like, how would you do that?
It's incredible.
We're done!
Wow!
Finally!
So I got my Pro Model Aaron Kyro. This is the brand new board. It just came out. You can get it at theshredquarters.com. Pebbles suck wheels. I have the Thunder Team Truck, just the plain truck-colored truck.
Raw is the word you're looking for.
Raw truck. Needle bearings? I think they're needle bearings.
You like Allen head?
Force Allen head hardware, yes. You don't like Allen head?
I like Phillips, because who has an Allen head just sitting, you know, if you need a screwdriver? Except you guys.
Yeah, so that's my board. What do you got there?
I have the new Revive Cruiser with the Lightning graphic. We got the Force conical 53mm wheels.
Conical.
These are awesome for cruising or actually skating and doing tricks. We have independent bearings, Avenue trucks, which are suspension trucks, with Revive life bolts.
So now I guess I'm gonna do the kickflip off.
Yeah.
And see if I have to light this board on fire or not. No warm-ups? That was one of my better kickflips I've ever done. Yes. I like it. I like it. Should we play a game of skate? Dang it! He tried a heel flip. He went straight for the heel flip. Woo! Oh! I should have started off with some 180s, really. Do I try a heel flip? What? I had to redeem myself. The heel flip took me so long.
That's good.
Woo! Oh, wow. Been a long time since I've landed a good tray double. Oh, wow. Well, that was fun. We broke in the boards. All right, guys, we'll definitely go to theshredquarters.com and get all of this rad gear. You guys definitely won't be disappointed. They got this, they got t-shirts, they got hoodies, they got hats. You guys have everything. So go check it out. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Andy Schrock's channel.